24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $123,531,604 in an unpretentious manner. ADA down roughly 1.6% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, or so they truly thought. Cardano's EMA10 by and large shows an extremely descending pattern, which sort of is very huge. Cardano in a real sense shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. 11 October 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is certainly transient cost expectation for Cardano. By and large is ADA for the most part wise speculation? Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which fundamentally is very critical. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us explicitly discuss the essentially current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The genuinely complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $26,637,099,388 in a sort of large manner. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they sort of thought. Which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, by and large further appearance, how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the ADA specialized investigation, generally let us really discuss the extremely current economic situations, which certainly is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, genuinely further appearance how ADA down roughly 1.6% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time span in a kind of large manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 1.93 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents amazingly. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in an essentially descending course for momentary amazingly. Right now, a general most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they essentially thought. Support especially is a level at which purchasers generally become essentially more extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which merchants especially move especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is floating at $123,531,604, which especially is very critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA basically has recorded a downtrend, losing 1.6% in essentially most recent 24 hours. Exhibiting that Cardano backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which generally is genuinely huge. The ongoing worth of Cardano generally is drifting at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $123,531,604 United States dollars in the equivalent time span, which certainly is very critical. The in every practical sense, generally market cap for ADA in a real sense is $8,724,510,662 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 3.85% over the course of the week, or so they sort of thought. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Investigation for 11 October 2023, inside an everyday time period for the most part made sense of underneath, which generally is genuinely critical. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Cardano in an unpretentious manner without a doubt. The ADA United States dollar moving especially normal combination and difference MACD marker explicitly is demonstrating a genuinely present moment in a real sense, sell in every way that really matters, signal is the MACD line generally is moving beneath truly signal line which truly implies truly bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout. Showing how the truly current worth of Cardano certainly is drifting at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $123,531,604 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. While ADA's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, fundamentally signal especially is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Cardano in every way that really matters shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an unobtrusive manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to really break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, which is very critical. The Cardano explicitly has generally break all its especially upholds levels, and things generally are not looking genuinely really great for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, truly bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take ADA cost underneath the essential help level of 35 cents, exhibiting how the Cardano certainly has essentially break all its in every practical sense, upholds levels, and things especially are not looking kind of really great for the crypto market in an extremely enormous manner. Determinations there had been a kind of regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will truly go on as lovely long as it by and large remaining parts in the ruddy region, showing how the ADA United States dollar moving certainly normal union and difference MACD pointer generally is demonstrating and in every practical sense. Present moment in a real sense sell truly signal is the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath truly signal line which truly implies certainly bears by and large are ruling on the lookout, showing how the extremely current worth of Cardano truly is drifting at 25 cents, with the exchanging volume of $123,531,604 United States dollars in the equivalent time span in an unpretentious way. You ought to possibly